Can Owen and Rainn Delacourt survive the Giganotosaurus and Atrociraptor, or will they be eaten? Keep watching to find out. Welcome to crazydinotoys on YouTube. Today we'll be unboxing and building the LEGO Jurassic World Dominion Atrociraptor Dinosaur Bike Chase set 76945 using stop motion animation, so the set will put itself together. This includes the brand new white Atrociraptor Owen Grady and a new character Rainn Delacourt. Cool. Looks like it's the bicycle chase through the city where the Atrociraptors are chasing Owen and Rainn Delacourt. So there you have a city scene. Atrociraptor chasing and busting through part of the city. You have some type of twirling mechanism there. You have like a snack area for baby dinos. Cool. Let's go ahead and check out what's inside. Okay. Inside we have a cool set of instructions. In here they usually have all the sets available. These are all the new dinos that are available in the sets, and these are the new sets, which I will be building them all. Cool. And then we have the new white Atrociraptor. One bag of Legos, 2 bags of Legos. Cool. Let's get started. Who will be our victor, the Atrociraptor or Rainn Delacourt? Arr! The Atrociraptor has taken him down. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at our awesome city chase set. So this is the dinosaur bike chase. What you see in the preview when the Atrociraptor is chasing Owen. So an Owen would be trying to escape on the bridge over there, and Atrociraptor would take him down and eat him. One thing you don't see in the preview. Oh no, Owen is gone. Okay, so this set includes Owen and his cool motorcycle. It includes a brand new character, Rainn Delacourt. Includes a new dino. This is the white Atrociraptor. There's actually several different one of them. I believe they're all hybrids of Velociraptor Blue. It includes 2 little baby dinosaurs here, and like the city set, and it has a control here for turning the city set. So you could put like a dino in here, and you could turn the dino and cause lots of destruction. Cool. And then it includes like this little skull over here, some lights and breakaway fencing there, this little outside market where the dino's trapped and Owen comes and brings him food. Cool. Okay, so there you can see their outfits. Owen's in just like a shirt. He's got his weird looking like pencil mustache, which I am definitely not a fan of. And then there you have Rainn Delacourt and his punk here doing punk stuff, and they're both about to be eaten by the Giganotosaurus, who is very hungry. You've seen this awesome Lego Atrociraptor Dinosaur bike chase set on crazydinotoys on YouTube. I have hundreds of dino videos, and I am releasing a new video from a new Jurassic World Dominion toy every single day. Cool. Come for lots of mayhem and dinosaur eating action. Click the subscribe button below this video to see a lot more fun videos. Click the boxes below for a lot more fun videos, and if you want to see even more, go ahead and click the subscribe button.